everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little space clothing haul slash try on. I'm just going to be putting together some outfits and showing you all what my usual little space outfits would look like, or not necessarily outfits I wear in little space because I usually just wear something like this, which is like a big t-shirt, but more just like something that I wear out if I'm feeling more cutesy. Yeah, but let's get into it. I might change around the accessories depending on the outfit, but I'm going to show you the bracelets I'm going to be putting on. So here I have my bracelets. The first one is the shark bracelet. Then I put on this bracelet that matches my Hello Kitty necklace. Then these two beaded bracelets, and then this purple shell bracelet. The other wrist, I put on these two beaded bracelets, and this one is glow in the dark, which is really cool. Then these two rainbow beaded bracelets. I love this one so much. And then finally this star bracelet. Okay, now that these are on, we can get started with the outfits. So first off, I'm going to be starting with my outfits that are onesies. Basically, I have three like snap button onesies that are short sleeved. Well, no, two short sleeved and one long sleeved, that I will be showing you how I personally style them, because I know it can be very difficult to style a onesie. For the first outfit, I'm going to be showing you how to style this Pinkie Pie onesie. As you all can see, it has an adorable tail on the back along with her cutie mark, and I'm going to be wearing it with these Hello Kitty sweatpants. Here is the full complete outfit. I love it so much. I think it's very cute. I love a fully pink outfit. I love pink so much. It's my all-time favorite color. So if you don't like pink that much, you know, this, you could always do a onesie, a different color onesie with different color sweatpants. But I think onesies and sweatpants go great together. They're both super comfy. So if you're disabled like me, that's a must. Let's go on to the next way that I might style a onesie. Here is my second outfit I have put together. This one, I have a long sleeve onesie. This one has very cute nurse or sick bears, and then it has hearts and like medicine and stuff. And then my pajama pants have Mitsubishi cars and strawberries all over them. They used to be my caregiver's, but then she gave them to me. I love to put together this pair of pajama pants and a onesie, because like I said about the sweatpants, they're very comfy, because onesies are basically pajamas, but it's okay to wear them out. Obviously, it's okay to wear what you would like to out, especially if it makes you comfortable and happy. And now, for those of you that don't have onesies, no worries, no pressure. Do not feel at all like you need to have onesies to be an age aggressor, because you do not need to have anything physically to be an age aggressor. It is a mental reversion to a childlike state. So all of the things I am showing you are just optional and just help me personally make my regression more fun. And I don't know, this is just me. I would probably dress like this with or without regression. So please don't put any pressure on yourself to look like me or dress like me or behave like me, because your regression is your own. So that's my quick PSA. Now, with that being said, let me show you some of the outfits I like to wear that don't involve onesies. Here is the same skirt, but with just a t-shirt this time. This one is a Sanrio Hello Kitty and Friends shirt that I got from Forever 21 a few years ago. And by the way, this skirt is from Amazon. All of my onesies are secondhand, so I'm not quite sure what the brands are. I also love wearing jean skirts. They are my favorite. They look great with t-shirts or coats or long sleeve shirts or onesies. They're basically, skirts are like the all-encompassing for styling. I love skirts so much. This skirt is from Forever 21 as well. I believe I got it at the same time around when I got this shirt, which again was a few years ago, back when I was still going into malls and stuff. For this outfit, you know, I had to put on the rainbow dash beaded rainbow necklace. This shirt is from Cavetown's official merch website, and these shorts are from the M&M store at Disney Springs. I love a colorful outfit. It makes me feel so fun and childish, and also it's super duper comfy. It definitely helps me feel more discreet in public if I don't want people knowing that I'm regressed. Here's my next outfit. This one is for those of you that like darker colors or more earthy colors. I personally love rainbows or pastels, or a lot of like green, earthy, khaki type of colors. I have this plaid wavy loose skirt that I got from Goodwill, and then this frog and toad shirt that I got from Target. Another pro tip for those of you that want to dress like in little space in public more discreetly, I would definitely recommend wearing just commonly known cartoon characters, because more often than not people will just look at it and think that you're dressing cutesy, but secretly you're all in little space. It's awesome. There you all have it. Thank you so much for watching. I will do a part 2 if it is requested. I know that this video was not very long. It is very difficult for me to stand up for long periods of time and try on clothes, but I just really wanted to get this video done. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you liked it. Comment and subscribe, please. It really helps me out. And yeah, make sure to take care of yourself, especially if you are going through a hard time. I understand that, and I'm there for you. And focus on yourself. Okay, love you. Bye.